Hello, welcome to Cooking Fun with Anshika. Let's start cooking. Today we are making truffle balls. Pure indulgence, isn't it? So let's look into the ingredients first. We would need dark chocolate, double cream, some unsalted butter, instant coffee and cocoa powder. I am putting all the finer details and measurements in the description below, so please do check it out. First, we will need to heat the double cream to boiling temperature, and for that you can use either your microwave or do it on stove top. I am going to use microwave to heat the cream here. So I've put my double cream in the microwave for 55 seconds. Till the time we will prepare our bowl of chocolate. I'm adding half a teaspoon of instant coffee to the chocolate bowl and also about 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter. To this I am going to add my hot double cream and gently keep stirring it for this all to mix really well. If in case when you're mixing this and your chocolate does not dissolve, you can try the double boil method, which is putting some hot water bowl below this. This is a superb recipe that is prepared in no time. I am using dark cooking chocolate, but if you like your desserts more sweet, you can use milk chocolate. So yeah, if you prefer dark chocolate, like something like 70% cocoa, then you would love this recipe. Otherwise, just use milk chocolate instead of dark chocolate and do not add coffee. So I had been stirring the chocolate into the cream for about 4 to 5 minutes, and I will keep doing it for another 3 to 4 minutes to make it completely lump free and smooth. Also, adding butter to the recipe adds that smoothness here. So keep stirring, dissolve it really well, and once everything is mixed, I will freeze this bowl into the fridge, as in like just keep it in the refrigerator for about a couple of hours to set this. And here I am using plant-based double cream. So guys, now it's been a couple of hours and look at it, my chocolate is all solidified. So now we are going to scoop it out. I'm using a normal regular spoon. Take this ball in your hand. You can make balls of the size you like. Just roll it out and then just dust it off in the cocoa. You can make these balls as big or small as you like. So I'm quickly going to roll all my balls and then show you the end result. So our beautiful truffle balls are ready. These measurements gave me about 12 balls, but guys, we couldn't resist, and hence you are seeing fewer number of balls here on my plate. But they are so yum. Make them. It's holiday season coming. They are a fab recipe. I'm sure your friends and family would love it. So as always, if you're liking my recipes, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get repeated notifications for whenever a new recipe comes online. Thank you so much for watching. I'll come again with more recipes. Thanks. Bye.